Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy Pulsechain with the USDC. It's possible to do this on a wallet, so please make sure you open up your wallet. For this tutorial video, I'm going to be working with the Trust Wallet mobile app. So once you've logged onto the Trust Wallet, please make sure you have a browser on your own wallet. And in order to buy the Pulsechain using your USDC, you're going to need some Ethereum. So please make sure you've enabled the Ethereum, or you do have Ethereum on your wallet, by simply typing in the Ethereum. And this is the Ethereum we're going to be working with. That's the mainnet Ethereum. Please make sure you have some of this Ethereum. And once you've confirmed you have the Ethereum, also search for your USDC, which should also be on the Ethereum mainnet. That's this USDC here with the Ethereum icon by its side. So once you have all of those, simply head over to the browser section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Head over to gopulse.com. The link is going to be in the description of this video. Once you're there, simply select buy crypto with USDC. So you can buy the Pulse token using your crypto, your credit card, or PRC20s. But we're going to be working with the USDC. So click on the USDC option, and we're going to be redirected to changenow.io. So instead of Ethereum here, click on this Ethereum option. That's the drop down, and simply search for USDC. Now click on USDC. As you can see here, the minimum amount of USDC you can spend is 18.29. So you could simply send over 20 USDC in order to get 158,000 of the Pulsechain token. So guys, all you need to do now is simply scroll down and click on recipient wallets. That's where you receive your Pulsechain tokens. You can get this on your wallet, and simply click on next and proceed to follow the instructions on the website. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.